So we start for the intro, right?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That was very far! That was very far! First one! Complete chaos!
Alright, take 2. Alright. A minor chord at the beginning.
A minor, yeah, we got it.
1, 2, 3, 4. What?
A minor, F, C.
G.
Z, then repeat.
Then C. Then 2 C's?
Okay, not how many, I'll figure out the how many eventually.
Yes.
A minor, okay. Then Z.
Then G. Then C.
Okay, 2 C's and then the riff. So pretty much.
Yeah.
So.
Not trying it?
Not. I want to. Okay, if I get the intro down, we're good. As long as I have the intro and the chorus down, I'm happy.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, keep going!
Oh, you play it once. You play the riff at the end, huh?
I just kept doing the chords while you do the riff.
Yeah. Oh.
I should have done the riff as well, right?
Yeah, because I'm like, you played the riff before, so I'm like, okay, he does
Okay,
the riff.
okay,
and I'm
I'll
like,
do
wait
the
a
riff,
minute,
I'll
so
do-
we do the riff.
I'll do the riff,
the
I'll do the riff, I'll do the riff. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, I need to figure out
Again.
the riff is the one that fucks me.
You have to, yeah.
I found the problem. I found the verse problem. It's not the verse, it's the riff.
Yeah. You don't say. We've been trying to correct that for like the past days. It's just falling apart. They're always...
No, actually that works better than what I did. Rather than playing the last note of it, I just started with a C, like the down strum.
Okay, yeah. That's what I've been trying to do.
You like put the... Oh, hold up. How does it get fucked when it's... I'm not even... Okay, hold up. Okay, I'll figure it out.
You have to keep like a metronome running in your head. It's like
Oh,
1,
there is
2,
a metronome
3, 4,
running in my
1,
head.
2,
It's
3.
not fucking existing today. Figure out when I jump in. 20 years later, the song finishes. Can you imagine? Wait for the song. Oh, it was quiet a bit. Alright.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's twice.
Yeah, I know it's twice. I was thinking about the riff. I'm like, did I get it? Did I
You
get
got it, yeah.
Because I'm trying to see if just like doing the, rather than doing like, okay, there's 3 strums, right? In here, normally, and then you pause it.
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, let's just do, fuck the the first down strum, let's go up, down, or down, up, I guess. And
Yeah.
Wait, is it up, down, up? It is up, down, up. I forgot if it's down, up, down, or up, down. Brain, no brain.
Down, up, down, up, down, up.
Yeah, so my idea is like
up, down, up, mute. Yeah.
Yeah, for at least that one, and then go back to the normal, like after it.
Yeah.
So it doesn't fuck, because that the one strum there is what fucks me over this whole time. It's like normally you have to do it like either I have to do like down up very quickly, like when I start again.
Yeah.
Because you like the strumming that you play, it's just like instantly up down up at some point.
Da-da-da-da.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I have to do, like after the riff to get back on actual track if I want to keep the same strumming. I'm like, you know what? Fuck this strumming. Who gives a shit?
Yeah, you wanna try again?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Two, not three. Two.
You got it.
Two. Keep on going through.
I feel like, yeah.
Slowly getting it, you know. Very slowly. Just try it. Let me just get it on, you know.
Down, up, down, up.
And then do the same thing there.
I hope that you just try practicing this part, right? So like,
Yeah, that's what I was doing. Down, up, down, you dipshit, you fucking retarded hand. What is this movement? No, this, down.
down, down.
This was the first time that Axel went down first.
Yeah.
Good job. You're getting good. Excellent. Good job. You're good.
I know. Yeah,
You were
now,
there, yeah.
yeah, well, they already kind of got into the verse, actually.
Yeah.
Like, finally, first time we actually managed to get into the verse.
I was like, you started smelling, I'm like, oh, someone told. I knew we were already there, but we weren't like.
Yeah,
I'm like, and you
we're
started,
so
like,
focused on trying to get this
that,
down.
I'm like,
Yeah.
wait, that's the verse?
Yeah.
That's the verse? Holy fuck.
Yeah, this is gonna be titled verse, I hope you know that.
Oh, yeah. But how much do you want to bet?
We'll keep it running for a bit more.
Okay, let me. One last.
Okay.
Last time. No.
No.
Okay, so you're doing 4 C's. And you're stretching at the it's been coming.
Yes.
Okay. Alright, that's what I.
That's
It's
where you
too-
fell apart.
Yeah, because I'm like. I'm doing
It's 2
C, I
bars.
hear C.
It's 2 bars. It's 4. I see why you're calling it 4 now. Because in my head I was like, it's always been 2, you know?
Yeah, but like for us it says 2, so it means 2 times the strumming
Yeah.
power, not 2 bars. So it's like.
This is 1. This is 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, for me, I was thinking. and then I was switching to C.
Mm.
And I'm like, something feels off. Actually, it was 4.
Yes.
I'm just not forgetting.
No, wait, it's 8 C's,
8 C's,
4 G's, and
2
then
C's.
and 4 C's.
4?
Yeah.
Okay, 4 it is. If die has stopped.
If you want to split it down, it's gonna be C, C, G, C. That's the
Yes.
verse.
Yeah,
You got it?
Please tell me the fucking...
Yeah, it's still recording.
Please tell me that picks it up. This... Somebody hitting their head in the background. Oh god. Okay, I think we got it.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I almost fucked up in the middle as well.
Yeah,
but...
I was trying to jump in and I'm like, I remember A minor. I'm like, not even, it's F. It doesn't even start with an A minor.
F, G,
C, A minor.
A minor, yeah.
Yeah, I was like, because it's at the beginning A minor, F. And I'm like, oh yeah, A minor, F. And I'm like, wait a minute, there's something off with it.
Yeah. I just remembered this records, like, this transcribes what we're saying, by the way. That's why it's titling things. That's going.
Dog shit. That's how it's going. Okay.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. I forgot the lyrics already. I've been trying to remember them the whole.
Someone told me long.
Yeah, no, because I knew you might like
fuck up on there. You were waiting for me to fuck up.
I wasn't waiting for you to fuck up. I was trying to pull you on track, and then I remembered. Wait, I have to remember the lyrics as well.
I'm waiting for you to jump on because I'm like, I'm gonna jump on the wrong beat and then go everything off beat. I'm like, okay, I'll wait for him to do like the first.
You're
word.
waiting for me to do the beat. I'm waiting for you to do the lyrics. So it's just like.
I was waiting for just the first word, and I'm like fine with the lyrics.
Yeah.
Right. And
someone told me. Okay.
Okay, we got it.
Okay.
Yes?
1, 2, 3, 4. to remember the last line.
Yeah, I was trying to remember it as well. Then I'm like, wait, I'm forgetting where it was. I stopped for a second to remember where we were on the lyrics, and I'm like,
I was like, fuck. I saw you falling apart, but I knew we had to keep going, you know?
It's like, we're getting there. Okay.
This was our best attempt so far.
This is getting very close. I'll give us that.
We're getting there.
Eventually. Okay. Got it?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. I fucked up the strumming of the whole thing.
I did too!
Yeah, we both fucked up the same way.
Like, okay, now we go no dipshit, now we go up. Okay, we got it?
Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can't save that.
It got fucked on the sea somewhere. I'm like, fuck it. I'm so abused.
Alright.
Yes?
We got it for real this time.
Okay.
1, 2. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought maybe you would try jumping in eventually.
I was thinking about it and then brain. I need 2 minutes.
I feel like we need to take a break, yeah.
Take a break and stay away.